Hi students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see chemical kinetics. So this is very important chapter. Okay, so first, what do you mean by chemical? What do you mean by chemical? So this chemical means it is a process. It is a process which is related to chemistry. Okay, it is a process which is related to chemistry. See, for example, if I am writing A plus B, so these are the reactant which gives you the product C. Okay, and if you take another reaction, we can take A. So A is in one phase. Okay, so we can write it as phase 1. So this A will get transferred to again A or B we can write, which is in phase 2. Okay, so in this reaction what happens? Phase transformation takes place. Okay, so phase transformation, I can give you another example also, like ice will get converted into liquid. Okay, the phase transformation. So what these reaction represents? So these reactions represents some changes which is happening here. Okay, some changes had happened here, like solid state had converted into liquid state, like that some changes happen here. Okay, so this is what the information given by these general reactions. Okay, so this is the process which is related to chemistry. Okay, next, if you take kinetics, so what do you mean by kinetics? In this, see, I told you about some changes, is it? From solid state to liquid state, or we can say some liquid to vapor. Like that, I told you some changes. This kinetics, it says about how fast the changes takes place, okay, or how quickly the particular process takes place. Okay, we can say like the rate of that process. Have you understood what do you mean by kinetics? What do you mean by kinetics? How fast? So whatever change is taking place, how fast the changes takes place, or how quickly the particular process takes place. So we can find, we can say like the rate of that particular process. Okay, so this is what introduction about chemical kinetics. Okay, why do we need chemical kinetics? Already in 11th standard you had studied about thermodynamics. Why do we need chemical kinetics? Okay, so before going to the chemical kinetics, just I will refresh you with some basics in the thermodynamics. Okay, and one more point, what do you mean by thermodynamics? Okay, is there any need of chemical kinetics here? And another point is, can't we get whatever we need, whatever the concepts we need from thermodynamics? Can't we get it? I'll tell you what and all we learned in thermodynamics first. Okay, see, if I'm saying about that, why I want to introduce, or why I want you to recall about thermodynamics is, then only you can understand the importance of chemical kinetics. Okay, so I have to give you few points about thermodynamics. Clear? So here, if you take thermodynamics, so what we learned that it is about initial state of the reaction. Okay, it is about initial state of the reaction. So initial state, let me say, you can take it as I. Okay, it is referred as I. So next, final state. Final state of the reaction. Okay, so that we can say as F. Okay, so if you take thermodynamics, it deals with this only: initial state of the reaction, final state of the reaction. Okay, so when you have so what is it final state? When you have reached a chemical equilibrium. Okay, what is this final state? When you will say that is the final state, when you have reached chemical equilibrium, so that state you will say it as a final state. Okay, so because of I told you this point, right? When you reach that chemical state, then it is the final state of the reaction. So you had introduced chemical equilibrium here. So because of this reason, because of this reason, this thermodynamics, it is also called as chemical thermodynamics. Okay, here we are talking about chemical equilibrium. So this thermodynamics, it is also called as chemical thermodynamics. Okay, and not only this, if you take so what we spoke about initial state and final state, but we didn't talk about what is happening between initial state and final state. That we didn't say. Just we spoke about initial and final state. Okay, and if you learn this in thermodynamics, we cannot focus much what is happening between initial and final state. Okay, see, for example, I'll give you a process like ice that is getting converted into water, which is in the liquid state. Okay, so for this conversion, what I have to do, I have to supply heat to this. Okay, I have to supply heat to this. So this is an endothermic process. I have to supply heat to this for the conversion of ice to water. So this is an endothermic process. Okay, again, water, which is in liquid state, that is getting converted into water vapor. Water vapor, which is in gaseous state. Okay, so for this process also, for the conversion of liquid to water vapor also, I have to supply heat. Okay, so this is also an endothermic process. This is also an endothermic process. Okay, so what I have to do, we have to supply heat for these two processes. We have to supply heat for these two processes to happen. Okay, so apart from this, there are some common parameters also. Apart from this, there are some common parameters also there. Okay, so what are those parameters? What are those parameters? The parameters are free energy change of the reaction. Free energy change of the reaction. Okay, or you can say process. So this is referred as del G. Okay, so this is referred as del G. And you know this very well. If del G is negative, then that is spontaneous reaction. If del G is positive, and that is non-spontaneous reaction. Okay, so that you had learned in thermodynamics. And another next parameter is entropy change. So that is del S. So del S is entropy changes. Okay, and next parameter is del H. Okay, so these are the parameters which you had learnt in thermodynamics. Okay, and I'll give you another example. See, you are going to do dilution of concentrated sulfuric acid. So what do you mean by dilution of concentrated sulfuric acid? You are going to add, you are going to dilute, you are going to make dilute solution of this concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, first you are taking concentrated sulfuric acid 10 ml. Okay, and you have to add water to this acid. So water you are taking 100 ml. Okay, so the change in enthalpy of the reaction, it is minus 11 kilojoules. So what is this minus? This represents the amount of heat which is evolved. So what type of reaction is this one? It is an exothermic reaction. And for this, the temperature is del T, the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, for the evolution of this 11 kilojoules of heat, what is the temperature I had written? 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, and you are increasing the volume of concentrated sulfuric acid. See, for example, you are taking 30 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid and the same 100 ml of water you are going to add to dilute this acid. And here the temperature also be increased, that is to 70 degrees Celsius, and the amount of heat evolved will be minus 30 kilojoules of heat is evolved. Okay, so this is also an exothermic reaction. Okay, so the process, if you see this process of dilution is an exothermic process. Understood? This process of dilution is an exothermic process. So this process, so this and all we know. It is an exothermic process. When you change the temperature, what happens? So this and all you know. Okay, but my question is, how long this process takes place? Okay, how long? What is that transformation? That is how long this process is going to happen. How long this process takes place? Okay, so if you see thermodynamics, we don't have this. Thermodynamics didn't give any information about this process and all. Okay, thermodynamics didn't give any information about how long the process takes place and all. So this information you can get it, the information, that is the rate of the reaction information and all, you can get it from chemical kinetics. Okay, so only we are going to this chemical kinetic topic. Okay, so if you see this chemical kinetics, it is this chemical kinetics, it mainly deals with this topic itself, is mainly interested in time taken. Okay, it mainly deals with the time taken. Okay, and how suppose A is getting converted into B. Okay, how does this process happen? Okay, how does this conversion happen? Then what make these changes happen? Okay, and what is the time required for this process to happen? And we can also learn the mechanism of this process at molecular level. Okay, so these are all it is there in the chemical kinetics. All these are studied under chemical kinetics. Have you understood? So chemical kinetics is mainly it is interested in time taken, and if this is getting A is getting converted into B, means how does this process happen, what makes these changes happen, and what is the time for this. So everything we can learn in this chemical kinetics. Okay, so that is what the rate of reaction. And another one important point is so rate of reaction. Okay, so rate of reaction if you take, can I control that rate of reaction? If you are saying yes, then What are the factors? If you are saying yes to my question, what are the factors? What are the factors to control this rate of the reaction? Okay, so we can say the factors are concentration, second we can say temperature, and third we can say catalyst. Okay, so if concentration we can say, and temperature, if you are increasing the temperature, the rate of reaction also increases, and catalyst also will increase the rate of the reaction. Okay, suppose if the reaction is going very fast, okay, and if you want to control that, okay, you can control that with your concentration, temperature, and even catalyst also. Clear? So in this way you can control the rate of the reaction. And this kinetics, it is a branch of physical chemistry. Okay, see this kinetics, it is related to biochemistry, and it is applicable for biology also, and mechanisms in whatever mechanisms taking place in organic and inorganic chemistry. So everywhere we are applying chemical kinetics. Okay, so this chemical kinetics, it is spread over all the branches of chemistry. Clear? So this is what about chemical kinetics. In next video, I'll discuss about the rate of reaction.